Alright, welcome back to another video. So this week's video was kind of decided. I know I did the poll, but I ended up having to pull the trigger on a piece of kit, so we're doing a gear video and little update on that. I think in order to keep things interesting, what I'll do is I'll do like a rotation, so we can do like knots one week, climbing technique the next week, and then gear the following week, just to kind of give a little bit of mix to the channel, you know, as far as uploads and whatnot. But for this week's video, we have this. So finally got here. I'm really excited. This is kind of like a monumentous occasion for me. It's definitely a milestone in my career. I never thought that I'd be owning something like this. It's a very expensive piece of kit, but it's definitely a very useful one. So I'm going to be doing an unboxing, not really a showcase of it. I think once I get more footage, I'll end up doing like a full breakdown of how to use it and whatnot. But for now, we'll just open it up and see what we got. So let's get to it. Alright, so let's go in with the big boy box. We'll see what's in here. My best guess is it would be the winch. I think that would make the most sense, right? The winch and the bollard. Those are, oh, and the base. Those are the heaviest things. So, little piece of tidbit information for those of you that don't know what a GRCS is. It's essentially something that was taken from boating, like a boating winch, and this guy named Grcs, he created a device that would capture the winch and a bollard to be able to lift up pieces. And this thing has the capability of lifting up like 2,000 pounds. It's like, I believe, the working load limit. So for really technical rigging, it is definitely a very nice piece of kit to have in your arsenal, and something that I needed. The more and more that I've been contracting, the more that I've started to see that can't really get away with just the porta wrap, especially for a lot of the work that I find myself in. It's very technical, very tight spots. So first thing coming out, oh, we got our winch handle. Nice. So we're gonna be cranking the winch with this bad boy until I buy the Makita drill. And we have a bunch of nice stuff in there to protect it. So here is the strap that kind of holds everything on the tree. There you go, that's just one side. And this is our bollard. Just like your, kind of like a porta wrap, but a lot larger. A lot more surface area, so you can take more wraps and rig out bigger stuff. And the last piece is the actual base. Okay, this is what the winch goes on. There we go. GRCS base. This thing is freaking heavy. But there we go, that's just one box. Well, let's get to the others. Alrighty, next box. Let's see what's in here. And if you haven't already, like, please, and subscribe if you're not already. I do a lot of gear review and whatnot, and I am sweating out in my garage right now recording this for you guys. So hopefully you appreciate that. But let's see what is in this box. We got some shipping stuff. Oh, so I should mention I bought this during a sale that's going on or whatever, and essentially if you spent over a certain amount you would get free stuff. So I got some free stuff here. Looks like that's what this is. And looks like we got some stickers from Tree Stuff. Cool. Some more stickers there. There's a code, by the way, if anybody wants it, 7% off. Web only. There you go. So if you spent like $1,500, they would give you a free jet step. My least favorite of Ascenders, but it is what it is. It was free, you know, might as well. Magneto, which is actually really awesome for the rope runners or any device really, because it's easy on and off. And another rope runner Vertec. Not that I need it, but hey, it's free. Might as well take it, right? If you're gonna spend the money. And some glasses, which I don't really need because I hate these. They're cheap. I also got this. This is like an adapter for the winch, but you can put it into your drill, and that's the bit that you use to be able to crank on it with a drill. I bought that separately, by the way. I did not get that free. This was like 40 bucks, I want to say. But that's it for that part. Now I believe this is the winch in there, so let's open it up and see. Alright, so last of the packages. Oh yeah, that bad boy's heavy. So again, if you're on the market, you know, kind of looking for things that can help you in rigging, and you're like a full-time company or you're contract climbing, you're getting a lot of technical stuff that the Porter app really isn't cutting it, I would highly suggest, you know, looking into this, investing into one of these. They are really expensive, but trust me, the things that you can do with this thing, this is like top of the top when it comes to rigging. So there we go. This is what we got. Oh yeah, that thing is beefy. Look at that. And as I was saying, this is the pinnacle when it comes to rigging. This is oh, that doesn't look good. I don't know if you can see that, but that should not be loose. So that might have gotten knocked loose during transit. That doesn't look good. Might be a simple fix, but we'll see. Thank God I recorded it, right? Uh-oh. Doesn't look like the screw strip though, so that's good. I just got to pull that out and probably adjust it. And that's about it. Now here we have a manual for the Harken winch, so cool. But yeah, as far as like lifting capabilities, this is probably the best thing on the market currently that I've seen. If you can't get a crane to it, chances are you're pulling out a GRCS and you're getting some stuff done. So that's pretty much it. Not much more I really need to say. I just wanted to keep it nice, short, concise, and show you guys that, you know, we're moving up in the world when it comes to gear. So it's a good one to have in the kit for sure. And appreciate all you guys watching. Make sure to keep up, and we'll definitely put this thing to the test. I know we have in the past with other companies. So that being said, we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.